Good morning, children. Children, today we'll start a new chapter. Chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. मतलब लेना और देना. So, children, in this chapter we will learn about the subtract. That means in this chapter we have learned that how we subtract one digit to the another digit. So, children, let's start this cricket match. इन क्रिकेट मैच श्रीलंका में 235 रन्स. तो एक क्रिकेट मैच हुआ जिसमें श्रीलंका ने कितने रन बनाए? 235 रन्स. इंडिया हैज़ मेड 123 रन और इंडिया ने कितने रन बनाए? 123 रन. नाउ हाउ मैनी मोर रन्स डज इंडिया नीड टू विन? तो अब बच्चों, इंडिया को जीतने के लिए कितने रन और बनाने हैं? तो चिल्ड्रन इतना तो हम सबको पता है कि टू विन इंडिया मस्ट मेक 236 रन, मीन्स वन रन मोर देन अ श्रीलंका टीम. सो हम कैसे पता करेंगे कि इंडिया को कितने रन बनाने हैं? तो टू नो अबाउट दैट वी सब्सट्रैक्ट 236 and 123. दैट मीन्स वी सब्सट्रैक्ट 123 फ्रॉम द 236. तो बच्चों, जब हम 236 से 123 रन्स को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि इंडिया को जीतने के लिए कितने रन चाहिए. सो चिल्ड्रन, तो हाउ वी सब्सट्रैक्ट दिस थिंग? So children, we can easily understand the subtraction from this activity. So children, now there are total, how many total runs? 236. And how many runs made by India? 123. So these two digit children we have known. मतलब हमें ये पता है कि इंडिया को कितने रन बनाने हैं. 236 और इंडिया ने कितने रन बना लिए हैं. Now children, in your last class you were studied, that means the most right side term is known as it can be written as a one digit number. Then this number is known as a 10th digit number, and the most left side is in 236, that means the 2 is known as a 100 digit number. Okay children, so now in 236, 6 is 1 digit, 3 is 10 digit and 2 is 100 digit. And in 123, 3 is 1 digit, 2 is 10 digit and 1 is 100 digit. So now children, we have to subtract. Now we have written in simple way. So in this particular 236 में how many 100? 200. That means 1 and 200. Sorry, we start with 1. So how many 1 in this particular this? So 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we have written. Now for in the 10 digit number there are 3 times. So we have written 3 digit number 3 times. And how many 2 times? How many 100 times digit 2? That means 2. That means 100 and 100. Now children, if we look at this, so if we have to subtract 3 digit from this 6, so what did we do? We have cut 1, 2, 3. So how many remain one digit number? 3. So we have written 3. Now for the same, how many 3? How many 10 digit is 3 times? 1, 2, 3, and we have to subtract 2 times. So we have cut it 2 and 2. So how many remaining? Only 1. So how many children remaining? 1. And now for 100 digit, then if we subtract 100 and 1, so we have to subtract 1. So we have cut this one. So what will be remaining? 1. So children, how many? So we are left 3 this, 1/10 and 100. And that means India must make run 113. That means 113 run. Okay. So in this method children, we can subtract to many digits. Okay. Now so to India wins more than 100 runs or less than 100 runs. So India have to make 113 runs. So it is more than 100 runs. So what is the answer? That means more than 100 runs. Okay children. Now just try it yourself. Children, you have to do this subtraction. Geeta had rupees 368 in purse. तो गीता के पास कितने रुपए थे? 368. और she bought a book for ₹123, मतलब 123. और उसने एक बुक खरीदी 123 रुपीज़ में। नाउ हाउ मैनी मनी इज़ लेफ्ट इन हर पर्स। तो बच्चों आपको ये बताना है कि उसके पर्स में कितने रुपए बचे। मतलब उसके पर्स में 368 रुपये थे और उसमें से उसने 123 की बुक खरीद ली। तो चिल्ड्रन हम कैसे पता करेंगे कि उसके पर्स में कितने पैसे बचे। सो वी कैन सब्सट्रैक्ट 123 फ्रॉम 368. ओके, so now children you have to do by yourself. So we can written like this. So 368 and 123. So children, in this 8 digit one place digit is how many? 8. So we have write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the 10th digit 6 times, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this 100 and placed it is 3 times, 1 2 3. Now we what have to subtract 123. So how many 1? That means 3. So we subtract 1 2 3. Then how many is remaining? 1 2 3 4 5. So that means 5. And then 6 we have to cut 2 in 6. So we have cut 1 2. Then how many remaining? 1 2 3 4. Then we how many remaining? 4. And then 1 we have to cut 1. So we have cut this 1. So how many remaining? Is 2. So children, how many rupees is left in her purse? 245 rupees. What? 245 rupees. So it is more than 200, right children? Next, can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. तो जो नबीला की माँ थी उसने नबीला को कुछ सामान खरीदने के लिए मार्केट भेजा और उसने नबीला को 245 रुपीज़ दिए। नबीला bought 1 kg घी for 127. तो नबीला ने क्या किया, 127 रुपये का 1 किलो घी खरीदा। द शॉपकीपर गेव हर बैक रुपीज़ 98. और शॉपकीपर ने उसे कितने रुपए वापस किए? 98. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस फ्रॉम एन एग्जाम्पल. दैट मीन्स you have gone a shop and you have 100 rupees, okay, and you bought a chocolate for rupees 60. So how many rupees the shopkeeper gave you? So you can easily tell that if you subtract 60 from the 100, so 40. Similar is case here. If we subtract 127 to 245, we can get that how many rupees the shopkeeper gave to the Nabilas. So children, did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? तो बच्चों आपको क्या लग रहा है कि शॉपकीपर ने नबीला को 90 रुपये जो दिए वो राइट अमाउंट था? कोई नहीं, हम इसको फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. सो नबीला के पास कितने रुपए थे बच्चों? 245, है ना. और उसने कितने का घी खरीदा? 127 का. तो चिल्ड्रन हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले हम वी कैन राइट द फंड यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 5 टाइम्स, 1 2 3 4 5. देन द 10th प्लेस डिजिट 4 टाइम्स, 1 2 3 4 5. एंड द 100th डिजिट 2 टाइम्स, 1 2. So now children, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1th unit place digit from the 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 7. Oh no children, we cannot take 7 from 5. So तो चिल्ड्रन तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे कितने हैं, ये 5, और हमें कितने सब्सट्रैक्ट करने हैं? 7. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू टेक अ बोरो. मतलब हम एक 10th प्लेस से एक बोरो लेंगे. तो चिल्ड्रन क्या किया हमने, एक 10th प्लेस से बोरो लिया. तो अब हमारे पास टोटल कितने हो गए? पहले हमारे पास 5 थे एंड वी हैव टेकन 10. So total we have 15 one unit digit. So we have 15, okay, and now we have to subtract 7. So we can easily cut down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now how many left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8. But children, you know, we have taking a borrow. That means before we have 4 10 digit, but now we're remaining 3. So now children, what we have? We have only 3 digit, right? We have only 3 digit. Now we have to subtract 2. So it is easy for us. We can subtract 2. So we have subtract. So we have only 1 10 digit. And now for the 100 digit, we have to subtract 2 from 1, 1 from 2. So we have easily subtract 100. So what remaining? 1, only 1. So the 10th unit digit number is 8. The 10th digit number 10th digit number is 1 and 1. So how many rupees the shopkeeper gave to the Nabila is 118. So children, so from this you can that the shopkeeper did not give her the right amount. And what is the right amount? Right amount is the 118. So now how much more money should keeper give Nabila? तो शॉपकीपर को 118 रुपये देने थे और उसने कितने दिए? ओनली 98. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा चिल्ड्रन? हमको 118 से तो हम क्या करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? 118 से हम 98 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो इससे हमारा क्या हो जाएगा कि हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हमें कितने रुपए और नबीला को, तो शॉपकीपर को नबीला को और कितने रुपए देने पड़ेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन? सो चिल्ड्रन, हाँ, सो चिल्ड्रन दिस सो चिल्ड्रन next practice time. So children, we will do this practice time in our next class. So up to page number 79, this is for today. So children, in this chapter you will learn about you had learnt about the subtract. That means how you will take the borrow from a tenth or from the 100 digit. So this is for today children, and thank you children.